In today's video, I'm here again to share with you this simple ice cream recipe. Trust me, you'll love it. So I really enjoy this, okay? This is coffee ice cream. If today is the first time here, nice to meet you. This is Lena and welcome. We do easy cooking recipes, okay? Anything about food, this is the right place. Please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. So I have with me here my half cup of soy milk. I've added my cafe 3-in-1 cafe drink, and I am just going to mix it very well. So I made this video very long time ago, okay? So I realized that I added 3 sachets again, making 6. So I'll be adding it along the way, and that is where we've got into right now. So you mix it very well before we get to the next ingredient. Please, coffee is not good for kids, so this is strictly for we the adults. So please do not give this to the kids, okay? Now the next ingredient we are going to add is our whipping cream or heavy cream, okay? So I'll add my heavy cream to it, and we are going to use 2 cups of heavy cream so that we can get that creamy ice cream that we want. So let's add it. So that is what we are adding, and after we are done with it, we are going to whip it very well, or whisk it, okay? Anyhow you will see. So if you don't have this, or you don't have any gadgets, my dear, just enjoy it like that. It is so good, okay? It is so good. Now this is where we've gotten to, and it already looks very delicious. Please do well to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. I'm adding just a tablespoon of my condensed milk. You can omit it, okay? So please follow me on all social media platforms. If you want short videos, please, we are on TikTok, Instagram, and on YouTube shorts, okay? Thank you so much. Just look at how creamy it looks. This was so delicious and I really enjoyed it. Now that we are done, I'm just going to pour this in my rubber, tie it very well, and then place it in my refrigerator, the freezer, for 6 hours. But the next day, this is how it looks. It was so creamy. I couldn't cut some for you to see how creamy it was. Trust me, I finished everything. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.